Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my Saturday morning routine. So when I finally get up out the bed, this is how I get my Saturday mornings started. All right, so as you can see, I get up, stretch a little bit, get a little yawn out, and then I proceed to grab my robe and put my robe on so that I can go ahead and start stripping my bed and taking off my sheets and off the pillowcases and the covers and all of that stuff. So typically I like to wash my sheets once a week because I suffer from acne and I have super sensitive skin, so I have to make sure that my sheets are cleaned weekly so that my skin doesn't break out and like with the eczema and everything dries. There's just a lot of factors that play into my skin, so I have to keep my sheets nice and clean. So I like to wash my sheets on Saturday mornings. Sometimes I do them on Sunday, but I like to do them on Saturdays because it's when I do like all of my cleaning and my deep cleaning. So now I'm just stripping off the bed. I really didn't have too much cleaning to do this morning because I've been going to my parents' house this week for the holidays, for Christmas time. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas, by the way. And my apartment was left clean, so I did a pretty much deep clean before I left because I always like to come home to a clean apartment. So once I take my sheets off and I take them to the bathroom / laundry room, I come back in and I take this carpet freshener and I just sprinkle it all over the floors from the living room, also to my bedroom because that's the places that have carpet. I let this sit while I straighten up the couch, and it usually takes me like 15 minutes to straighten out the couch, pick up things. So I leave that on for about 15 minutes, and then I go in to vacuum it up. But first here, I'm just straightening up the couch, folding up the blankets, fluffing the pillows, and I'm just picking up any little things in the living room that aren't supposed to be there and just putting them away. So I don't have too big of messes. Like I said, I was going out of town this week. And then after I straighten up the couch, I like to spray this Febreze air spray on the couch. I use this like on the couch, on the sheets of my bed throughout the week. I love using this stuff to really refresh all the furniture, the fabric, also spray it in the air. So once I'm done with that, I like to go in and vacuum the floors. I don't know, is it just me, but I love vacuuming. It's just something about vacuuming that's just so therapeutic for me. Like, I love vacuuming. And by the way, I do want a Dyson vacuum cleaner because my vacuum cleaner is not all the way working properly. But yeah, hopefully within the new year I can get me my Dyson vacuum cleaner. But I just love vacuuming. So I vacuum up the living room and I also vacuum up my bedroom because those are the two areas of my apartment that has carpet. You won't see me do the bedroom, but I am getting the living room carpet nice and clean. It's nothing like freshly vacuumed carpeting, just no other thing like it. So I'm just continuing to vacuum. Once I finish vacuuming, I take my trash outside and sit it outside so that it can get picked up on tomorrow, which is Sunday. And then I come back in and I open up the blinds just to let a little sunlight in, to really just allow it. It was a very pretty day today, so I really just wanted the sun just kind of shine in. And that's pretty much it. After I'm done cleaning, I usually go in and get dressed for the day and go run errands. But this is pretty much it. Like I said, I didn't have too much to do because I was out of town at my parents' house for the holidays. So everything was pretty much clean. So I have my candles lit, have everything nice and neat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.